Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is February 19th of 2021, and today we are going to talk about REN, R-E-N. It is the current number 51 ranked altcoin on CoinMarketCap, and it is making moves. So we've had a lot of requests for this lately. It's finally over $1 billion, so I generally like to cover coins that have over $1 billion market cap. So they have some good financial backing, a little bit more stability in their project. So that's where we're at for now. 1.6 billion, up almost 60% in the past 24 hours, as you can see here, $1.62 currently. So let's go ahead and look at the charts. Now, I also want to pull it out before we move on. Look at the volume. This is probably the biggest percent gain in volume I've seen in recent time. 438% increase in volume in the past 24 hours. That is amazing. So let's go ahead and look at REN on the daily chart. On this channel, we look at bigger time frames, less so much the next 5 minutes or, the next 2 days or 3 days, but we look at macro trends, try to get in the waves early, and try to also exit at the appropriate time and not enter at the inappropriate time. So today I'm going to look at REN, tell you where we are, where we could be headed in the future, in the short term and long term. So let's go ahead and look at what is going on. So on the daily, these are our moving averages. This is our 21-day moving average, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. Now these change based on the chart you're looking at. So if you're looking at the weekly chart, that will be your 21-week, 50-week. Follow along? Okay. So after you get a run up off of your bounce, off of your 21-day moving average, you're more than likely, when you start moving back down, that is a good place to hold support. It often does on younger coins. On older coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, something that's been around for a while, you want to use the 21-week moving average. It's a more solid line to use for a bull bear scenario. So because REN doesn't have years and years of history, we use the 21-day. Some coins you have to use even less than the daily, which that's also why anything with a lower market cap is hard to predict, because there's nothing certain or concrete about their moving averages or their history. So for REN, the 21-day works perfect. Look at the support it held. Perfect, bounced back up, came back down close, not quite touching it. Look what we just did a few days back, 4 days ago, February 15th. We hit it. We did not close a candle below it. We wicked down to it, and a long wick on the bottom means you have a lot of buying pressure. People are buying this up. If you have a wick on top like this, you have a lot of selling pressure pushing you down. You can think of it like an elevator on a string, right? So if this is going down, right? The elevator is going down. This one, the elevator is going up. Easy to remember that way. So look at the move that we're currently in. Just today we're up over 30%. That's very good. And any coin, any investment ever, if you can make 30% in a day, you're beating the average by a long shot. So if we want to look out at a longer term and see where REN could be headed, I mean, the chart looks ridiculously insane, right? But if we take a measured move from our 21-week, because we're on the weekly now, this is our 21-week moving average. How far are we above that? Did we get roughly 200%? Bitcoin has not even done that yet. I think Bitcoin is about 180, 190%. Currently, we are right about where Bitcoin is. So some food for thought. If you're outperforming Bitcoin, yes, that's solid, but your warning flag should be going up a little bit, because this move is not sustainable. Now, that doesn't mean we can't double these prices from here in the short term and have a nice, huge blow off top like the rest of altcoins. I'm kind of expecting some kind of move like this. Hopefully, maybe REN got the jump start on everybody. But if you look at more of the macro trend, this is on the monthly. I mean, look at the walls here, guys. This is up 150% in February. That's 19 days. 150%. If you bought back in here, you're making stupid money. So be smart. Don't be greedy. If you're buying here, there's no millionaire, full-time trader, professional traders buying on this candle, right? Unless they bought right in here. Even that is highly suspect. No smart money is buying up here. Just stating facts here. So you need to stay level-headed, not feel the FOMO. This doesn't mean we can't go to $3 next week. It could. Things get out of hand. Nobody knows how long these momentum push-ups can go, but they will end. Rest assured, this will end at some point. Now, that doesn't mean that we're going to, get crazy and capitulate all the way back down to these levels, but it's not impossible. But I want you to get in your head that markets like this are few and far between. People wait years for these kind of price actions. If you are able to capitalize on this and make some profit, do it. Don't feel bad about taking profit. Who cares? If you're up 100% or more and you miss out on, and it goes to 250, it's okay. You're going to be much more appreciative when the price starts dropping that you took profits a little bit too early than you watch all of your profit come back down to you. I'm not saying that it's coming down to this level, like I said, but let me show you on a long-term scale what I'm talking about here. Now, if we look back to our previous top, after a big move here, look at this run up. Look at the gap here between the 21-week and the very tippy top right here. Let's take a measured move and see how big of a move that was from peak to peak. About just over 220%, 222. See that? Now let's see where we are now. We are currently 183%. We just tapped 200% a little bit earlier, right? So 220%. If we were to repeat that move, now we can go much higher because times are a little bit different than right back in there. But 225% is $1.82. If we start getting up in that area, just be smart. $2 will be a big psychological level. In human brains, like it just works like that. Round number. Go look at all the charts in early days of coins. It's fantastic to see like round numbers are big key levels. $1, $2, $10. So $2 right in this area. It doesn't look that far away. Not saying it can't go through that. Like I said earlier, in these massive moves up like this, things can move higher and last longer than anybody thinks. But just saying, be smart. I'm trying to prepare you and not tell you that this is going to $72 tomorrow. So that's what I have for you for today. For RIN, it's looking great. It's looking strong. Make some money. Set some stop losses. And be safe out there. Make you some cash and come back and see me again. That's all I got for this one, guys. I appreciate you coming by. Smash the like button. Gently press it. Join us back here for the next video. I might make another video today because it's Friday and I feel like you guys have earned it. So I'm going to make another video on a different coin coming soon. I'll see you on that one.